Hey guys, so we're walking and walking. What can you say about that?
Well, para sa akin, di mo naman sila masisisi. Kasi it's so sunny. It's been winter here for like forever.
We're trying to lose weight. Hi guys, I'm John.
And I'm Ron, and this is J1 TV.
We're walking because it's so sunny today. You can tell about.
You can see the grass nagta-turn into green na siya. So it means summer is coming. Summer is almost there. So
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Fall into you. I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Fall into you.
we're walking and walking. We're trying to lose weight because hindi na kami naglalakad since nagkaroon ng car. It's really interesting today. It's just it's sunny today. That's interesting because I checked the weather app and it says that it's going to be gloomy again tomorrow and on Thursday. So it's going to be up and down, up and down. Since it's sunny today, lahat nasa labas. What can you say about that?
Well, para sa akin, di mo naman sila masisisi. Kasi it's so sunny. It's been winter here for like forever. And now it's sunny. And people
Are excited.
Yeah, they're gonna go
People are
outside.
excited about the sun, about the heat. Gusto namin magpapawis.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
go.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We love your comments. Bye.
Hi guys, if you love this video.
Please don't forget to like and
Hi guys, if you love this video.
please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.